A scroll saw is a power tool with a motor that drives a reciprocating frame. This frame puts a small saw blade under tension that reciprocates through a table designed to secure your work onto. This tool is best used for cuts that require tight corners or interior cuts to be made, usually on material that is less than 2 inches thick. Follow all Woodshop standard operating procedures. Follow all general power tool standard operating procedures, both found on the Canvas page. Wear safety glasses, wear hearing protection, and wear a dust mask. Read the liability waiver found on the Canvas page. Sign the waiver and submit it to the portal. Read and understand the scroll saw training page on the Canvas page. Read the user manual, and then take the associated quiz. There are different blades designed for different applications. You can see here there are blades that are thicker and thinner, and blades with more teeth per inch and less teeth per inch. The more teeth per inch, the finer the cut, but the slower the blade will cut. You can also see on the far right a blade that has teeth spiraling up the blade. These blades you can cut in any direction with and are very fine. De-energize the tool by unplugging it before changing blades or inspecting the machine. There is a light attached to the tool and an air hose to help blow the small particulate away from the cutting area. Point these two things towards your work surface. When changing or replacing blades, loosen the material hold-down bracket and move it up. Loosen the tension of the blade with the tension lever. Unscrew the top and bottom thumb screws on the top and bottom of the blade. Remove the blade and replace with new blade. Tighten the bottom thumb screw onto the new blade. Pull the blade through the table and then secure the top of the blade with the top thumb screw, making the blade as taut as possible. Then re-tension the tension lever. Re-energize the saw. Plan your cut. Make sure your workpiece fits within the machine. The maximum depth of cut is 2 inches. Some material cuts easier than others. Make sure your blade is designed for the application you are doing. Keep the material securely on the table of the saw. Never lift the piece off the table while trying to cut. Loosen the material hold-down bracket with the thumb screw on the side. Place the material hold-down bracket onto the surface of your material and secure the thumb screw. Angle the air hose toward the blade to blow dust away from your cut. Keep your body parts away from the path of the blade. Adjust the speed of the scroll saw for optimal control and comfort of speed with the speed dial on the top of the machine. Start the machine with the teeth of the saw disengaged from the material. Then push the material into the front of the blade. Do not let go of the material until the blade has fully stopped. To make an inside cut, drill a pilot hole in your workpiece. Make sure the blade tension lever is moved fully to the right. Loosen the top thumb screw, releasing the top of the blade. Leaving the blade held in place by the bottom blade clamp, thread the saw blade through the pilot hole in your workpiece and reattach the blade by tightening the top thumb screw and readjust the blade tension to begin the inside cut. You may adjust the table bevel for a beveled cut. Be sure to adjust the material hold-down bracket as well. This can be done by loosening the table bevel adjustment handle below the table. When loose, you may tilt the table at the desired angle and retighten this knob. Be sure to readjust the material hold-down bracket so that it is parallel to the work table and securing the workpiece down to the work table. This is done with an Allen wrench